Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family.
This video is in collaboration with Funday, and this is hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco and Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. Let's get started. is the final reveal of my lemon sign over here. I like this verbiage, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like you saw the process, this is one of the kitchen sign that I got from Dollar Tree. And in the center, I used one of the scrapbook paper with yellow polka dots. And the other one is like one of the other lemon sign which had like green polka dots. So, and I actually wanted to have a half slice of lemon. I just stuck the wooden piece of lemon in one corner, and I wrote easy peasy lemon squeezy with the two different letters to just, I didn't have enough of A and E's, so I mixed the letters together, and it's not looking bad, right? In fact, it's looking very pretty. I'm loving it. So let me know your thoughts on this. And I created a bow with several of lemon themed ribbons. I created a cluster, and yellow and orange one is from Michael's. I got it for $1. And orange gingham and lemon themed ribbon, and green and white and black flowers, gingham. And then I just created everything together as a cluster. And I stuck one of the gingham bow in the center with one of the bead to just highlight the bow. And yeah, this is one of the cute lemon sign I'm very much in loving with. So this season I'm in love with lemons. So I created several projects with lemon. Like I always say, I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.